Hello, we will make a small macro module to draw later a decision tree or an organization chart. We will create a text box with, for example, the text choice 1, which can be duplicated 2 or 3 times 3. We will just do the small starting macro. On the developer tab we choose to record a macro. It is called for me. There is already one here with this name. It is crushed. We are now in the process of recording. We position ourselves on the tab Insert/Illustration Toolbox/Insert Shape. We will take the text box and draw our text box. Inside we write choice 1. We will customize it. A right-click on the perimeter, we click on the last format line of the shape. Thus, we get the dialog box that opens on the right. We then customize, for example, the contour in red color, and the thickness of the contour line to a width of 1.25. We close this dialog box, and we customize the text with a slightly larger font, size 18 bold italics, centered horizontally, centered vertical. I then stop recording my macro by going back to the Developer/Stop Recording tab. I delete what I did to test my macro. Now I am going to evaluate this macro. From the Developer tab, I run it. I can then duplicate the created text box. I will duplicate it with the Control key. I will then work on them after selecting all the areas. Sometimes it is a little capricious, we bring them closer. Once the 3 areas selected, I go to the Layout tab. I have the Align tool. I distribute horizontally and vertically. Then I can group and size that entire block. Finally, of course I can customize the texts, choice 3, choice 2. Here I have a starting module that was quite quick to create. Have a lovely day.